what 60 bucks looks like? There you go. Got a bag of screws and 4 1x4s that are 16 foot long. $63 and some odd cents at the local hardware store, thanks to inflation. But we ain't working on this today. We're gonna build our sides for our trailer for our parade that we're gonna be in. But we're not just gonna build them for the parade. Who knows? They might need to put something on there that we need sides for. So that's our goal for today. So stick around. We're gonna get busy. First thing I'm gonna do here is I have these 2x4s that I've had sitting in the corner of my other side of the shop here for a while. I cut them down to 2 foot sections on each one. I got an extra one if I need it, but 2 foot sections should give me enough to, out of 2 8-foot boards, should give me enough to put pieces that go down into these pockets here. So then we can screw our 1x4s to those and we'll have side rails. So I'm gonna get to measuring and cutting and we'll go from there. Done. I know we got a big empty hole right here, but it is what it is. There's not really a good way to put a support in for the 2x4, so it'd just be sitting there dead weight anyway. So, but we got all that done. We made some repairs to our little strap box down here. My rebar kept coming out here, and eventually the door fell off and messed a bunch of other stuff up. So we fixed our rebar, our bottom hinge here, I don't know if you can see the bottom side there, but we welded that up and we made a new pin for our door to hold it on. Just took a bolt and drilled a hole through it. Cheapest way to get a pin in the country, unless you go through a bunch of drill bits. But I think our sides turned out pretty decent. They're gonna get decorated next and for the parade, so we'll show you what that looks like. I still need, I'm probably gonna get some more 2x4s, 10 footers, and I'm gonna screw it here for future uses, because this bottom side ain't going nowhere. Top side, you can see, is pretty flimsy. So if I decide I want to use it for something a little more heavy duty, I'm gonna need a thicker 2x4 up here to hold that steady. I'll probably take some little ones, fill the gaps. So we'll see you at the parade. So guys, we got done with the parade now. Got old Rocky all cleaned up here. Probably best I've had old Rocky looking in a good while. even our equipment trailer, my wife went through, she spray painted it for me. We need to get some new reflective tape and touch up paint a little bit, but she painted the trailer, painted the rails here, and come out really good. Bonehead move, I guess, after working 12 hours on night shift and then going straight into doing a parade. Didn't think to grab my GoPro to kind of get some footage from the parade, but our rails did what they were supposed to do here. Get the hay bales on the trailer. I put a strap over the back, as you can see there. Get my hand to work, it's like a mirror. Either way, that's done, parade's done. Now to put our toys away, but first, go take a nap. 24 hours being up, I'm getting old. Ain't used to this stuff, so. Well, until next time, God bless you, stay safe.